Hello! Right, I'm going to show you how you can fill blank cells with a value from the cell above. It's so good and so easy. I'm going to show you how to do it in a regular spreadsheet and how to do it in a pivot table. So let's start off with the regular spreadsheet. Here you can see I've got bread, cans, flour, fresh fruit, but I've got all these gaps underneath and I'd love for them to be filled in with the information directly above. Okay, so how do we go about this? The first thing you're going to do is select all of your data. So I'm going to just press Control A. I'm going to use Control full stop or Control period to jump around to make sure that I have actually selected everything, and I have. That all looks great. Okay, now from here, Control G. Control G will open up the Go To box. Now from here we can go to Special, and I want you to select blanks. Now go ahead and click onto OK, and what's going to happen is Excel will select any blank cells. Now you can see I'm on A3 here. I'm going to now write a link formula, so equals, and I'm going to go ahead and click onto the cell above. Now you're going to use Control Enter, not just Enter. The control means that what you're about to do will be placed into every single selected cell. Control Enter, and look at that. So good, right? Okay, if I come down, I'll just show you. All filled. Lovely. So nice. Coming over to a pivot table this time. So in here, you can see it's a pivot table. Here I've got the same information, but it is actually inside of a pivot table. Now for this, Design tab, over to Report Layout. Now come down, repeat all item labels. Done. Just like that. So good. Okay, I hope you found that really helpful. Let me know in the comments below. For videos on related topics, please visit my channel. For links to my courses or my weekly tips, check the description box below.